Hello, in this video we're gonna check if INFINIX Note 12 has the stereo speakers. And to do this we'll need to play some music and find all of the speakers on this device. Then cover each of the speaker. If the sound is coming from both of the sources or all of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. So now let's find the speakers, and first one is on the bottom right here. That's a main speaker on this device. Next one is right here, and that's a phone call speaker. Now let's play some music. Sorry. Okay, so clearly sound is coming from both of the speakers, and that confirms that this device does have the stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.